Hey guys, welcome to Your Kitchen Your Way. Today we're making jerk pork. First we're gonna start by seasoning the pork with some vinegar and wash it with some lemon and rinse. Once you rinse and drain your meat, you add your ippies, just about 2 tablespoons of ippies and 1.5 tablespoon of jerk seasoning. It's the Grace brand that I get. And then I also like to add a bit of lime juice on there. I like the tanginess to it, you know. Oh, and also I add some chicken bouillon, not too much because the jerk seasoning is already over salty. And this is the lime juice that I like to add there. And then you mix all of that up together. Give it a good massage. You can let this marinate for a little while, for 30 minutes and up, but I was in a bit of a hurry, so I just placed this in my baking dish. Pour it all in there. Once it's in my baking dish, I usually like to add a little bit of onion. My favorite is white onion that I just like toss over it. Just spread it a little bit. If you don't like onion, you could just skip this part. I always like to add it. Once you're done with that, you add your foil, you cover it, and then it goes into the oven for an hour. After an hour, you remove the foil off and you put it in the oven for 30 minutes. Looks good. Once 30 minutes is up, you flip over the meat so the other side can get a little bit of color. There you go. And then it goes back into the oven for another 30 minutes. And once that time is up, we're all done, guys. Here I am giving a taste test. I tell you guys, it was really, really delicious.